Whether you are the CEO, frontline staff, or caregiver running your household, taking a proactive approach with my R&R program will allow you to discover what balance means to you.
The staff clearly has expressed that they enjoy participating in it. It allows them to take the stress off. It's a very stressful environment that they work in.
And I just find that it just really breaks up the day and how I function. It restores me, it makes me more energetic for the rest of my day, and also at the same time I'm getting the benefits of a nice workout.
Initially I was so focused on learning the poses I didn't even hear the music. Now all of my senses are involved and enjoy the yoga session, and I leave class with this wonderful feeling of well-being that I carry throughout my day, and I anticipate my next yoga session.
To take the stress level down a bit allows them to interact better with their fellow employees, interact better with the patients, interact better with the families, and interact better with their own families when they do get home.
Any program that advocates a good, healthy lifestyle that would include yoga is a very positive experience for anyone.
It's resulted in clearly increased staff satisfaction, which feeds on client satisfaction or patient satisfaction.
They feel better, they look better, and at times it's almost unspoken word. People will ask them, what is it about you? I see a change. Maybe they're physical from losing weight, or just their presentation, their demeanor. And people ask, what is it? And they'll say, you know, the yoga classes and other activities has really changed my life.
The way we do business is changing. Become an employer of choice for the next generation. Create a corporate culture where health and well-being are a priority. Communicate your authentic commitment to your employees by offering them a little R&R